So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my take on none other than Hillary Clinton's makeup. So if that interests you, continue watching. This makeup look is for the professional woman who really does not like makeup, but yet understands that the importance of it, and that how, if you're going out in public or if you're in, a business meeting or whatever, like you need to feel and look your best. This is the makeup look that I think that would, represent you as a professional woman. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. So just for reference, I have the Bobbi Brown face base on. I have, what else? Oh, I did my brows already. You can see from this picture here, this is the look that I'm going after. I'll also place a picture up here so that you can kind of see where I got the inspiration from. And I have the P. Louise, I have the eye base on my eyes, and that's all I have done. And I'm gonna get started with the eyes first. So you can see from, when I think of Hillary Clinton and I think of makeup, I think of professional businesswoman, and that's pretty much what she's been her entire life. And as somebody who really doesn't like makeup, and I get a lot of that with, I have a hair and makeup company, and we lean more towards a very natural look, which is one of my favorites. I understand transforming makeup, but that's really not my wheelhouse. I kind of just like the more natural type look. Okay, so I'm going to start off, and I'm going to do a pink eye for Hillary. I'm going to use this color here because, again, it's a very natural type look going after. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this color down here, and I'm going to, no, I'm lying. I'm going to take this color up here, and this is the this is the Maracuja palette, and this is from Tarte, and this color here is called Primrose. And I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna go over and cover my entire eye with that, just to kind of even out any discoloration and to give it a base. And I apologize, I'm getting over some type of laryngitis or cold that I picked up over the holidays. So that's my base color. You can see it's a very simple neutral color. And next I'm gonna go in and I'm going to go in the crease, and I'm gonna take this pink color here. And I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna go right across that crease right here. And I do have to look down here. And I'm just gonna bring that up and through here. And I read somewhere that she sort of resents the fact that men don't have to go through this. And she's taken a lot of criticism over the years because she has, when she doesn't wear makeup, she's trying to go out on the, and get a point across or talk about policy. And people want to comment on her lack of beauty products that she has on, which is kind of funny. I can imagine it must be very frustrating. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much all I'm going to do. I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to spray this flat brush with my Prep and Prime from MAC, and I'm going to go in and I'm just going to put some shimmer right across the my lid. Not much. I'm not looking for a high shine at all. I'm going to go right here, and I'm just going to go right in here. Now this look you could probably get done, I would say, within like 10 minutes. You shouldn't take you longer than that, because again, she's just looking to enhance herself a little bit more so she doesn't look tired, and so that people aren't commenting about her lack of, not having makeup on. So I don't think she likes spending a lot of time in the makeup chair, which is fine. No, you don't have to. Next, I'm gonna just take this bigger brush here that I put on that first eyeshadow with, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of sweep that back and forth just to kind of marry them together. Okay, I'm going to take this liner, and this is in the color Smoke, which is like a bluish gray color. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go right into that lash line. And this is really important to do, just to kind of make your eyes pop a little bit more. I'm gonna go right on top here, and just to try to make it look as clean as possible. That's pretty much it. I will take this pencil brush and kind of just smudge it out a little bit. I will go down and do a little bit on my lower lash line right here. And I might just kind of go all the way across with it, very slightly. Okay, let's do the other eye. Because in this picture you can see that she does have a little bit of a heavier liner on in there. And I kind of shaped my eyebrows like she has hers shaped here in this picture. You see how she has her eyebrows shaped? Like I would, for you, if you're gonna try this makeup look at home, you don't need to do that, but I figured for the sake of today's video, I would do that. All right. So believe it or not, that's all I would do on the eyes there, and put that pink on and then go across with that smoke liner. For now, anyway, I will go in and do mascara. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this foundation. This is the Armani Luminous Silk. Her makeup, like she has very prominent cheeks, like she's got very like, her cheeks are very noticeable, right? When you see her and she smiles and she talks, she's got nice big glowy looking cheeks, I always think. So I'm just gonna try to enhance that a little bit more, but it's not a heavy foundation that she wears. It's more of a glowy or dewy type foundation that looks more of a hydrated type look. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take this foundation brush and I'm just gonna go in and put that foundation all over just to even out my skin tone. I think the thing that she really does like as far as makeup is like a lip color, right? I don't see her, I always see like she has a, you notice that she has a lip color on, so it's not like it's just a simple gloss. Her lips have some color to it. So that's about it with the foundation. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to take this bronzer and just kind of make my my forehead and my cheekbones pop a little bit more, but nothing too heavy, very, very minimal amount, just to make it look like I have some color. I'm going to go in, I'm going to take this Hourglass, and that is in the Nude Bronze Light, and I'm just going to dust that across my forehead ever so gently. So again, this would be a makeup look, like if you came to me and said, oh, you know what, I need a professional headshot done. And I would be like, oh, all right, so who did you find for your inspiration? And if they came to me with, a lot of times they would come to me with a picture of a professional woman, you know, it's like Hillary Clinton. This is what I would do. So I'm just really kind of making myself look like I have some, like I'm tan. Next I would go in and I would take, because she's got these cheeks that I'm looking to pop more, and they're very rosy looking, I'm gonna take this DIOR, and I'm gonna go in and I'm going to focus on, you can see it's a very, very rosy type pink. And I'm gonna take this blush brush and I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna dab here. And I am bringing it down further than I'm, like farther down on my face than I normally do. I usually stay up here. But because I'm trying to do this, I'm gonna bring it down just so you can see how that just makes the cheeks pop more. And then over here, I'm going to take a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury because her cheeks are glowy. Like right here always looks a little glowy to me. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm just gonna dab into this, the end of this, and I'm just gonna make my cheeks glowier here. And this will just kind of brighten up your face. So you can see already from this side to this side how it just kind of made it a little bit more glowy looking. Now, whenever I see her, I always think Mrs. cheeks are like, her's got like, I don't want to say chipmunk cheeks, but you know what I'm saying, like she's very pronounced cheeks. That would be it, and you can just see how that kind of gave it a little bit of a glowier type look there, right on my cheeks. And next, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take just this mascara. I'm gonna take the Ilia Limitless Mascara. This is like one of my favorites. And I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to bring those lashes some color. Okay, that would be it. And now you will see the transformation come with this, because I'm going to use a lip color, right? Like she has this very, I want to say it's a rosy type lip. It's a deep rose color, right? It's not pink, it's more rosy. So I'm going to take this YSL color, and it is in the color, I think it's just a number, 62X600. There's no name on it, but it looks like this color here. And I'm going to go in, and first I'm going to take a lip pencil and I'm going to line my lips. And this is in the Charlotte Tilbury number 2, medium 2. I'm just going to line them. I'm going to take this color. And that's it. I'm going to go down, pull my hair up, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what everything looks like together. So guys, this is the final look. This is my take on Hillary Clinton's no makeup type look, but I shouldn't say no makeup. It's more of a professional type look for somebody who really does not like makeup, but understands the importance of it. So if you gained any value from this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, everyone.